At the end of the seat, this is a long seat, you can see. This long contains, it can house, it can be occupied 10 for each seat. So the one at the area nearest to the to the step, ano nga ba tawag natin? To the doorway. We get the fare when we are the one close to the driver, because the driver collects the fare and gives the change. And then when he gives the change, yeah, that's how it is done. Ayun. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po. Januhan, Singnara. Ayan, no. Ito yung MRT. This is the MRT construction materials. That's why I have the allowance. I usually have 2 hours allowance from home to the work. From, for example, we should be leaving earlier job at TP. My duty is 12 o'clock. I have to leave 10, or else kabado. You'll be feeling anxious when you are still there, stuck on the traffic 1 hour already before the reporting time, the punch-in time. That's why we have to adjust the time, thinking of the situation along the road. It's better to wait there than to feeling so anxious, while stuck on the traffic. So these are the materials, and the people are already working here. Construction materials. A big post. They're there down here. Ay, ito ba yan? Napipindot ko. Look, that's for the post. Ooh, there's a pit for the post. The men are working. Ayan po. Bakal. I think that's 20 millimeters. 20 millimeters yata. May tawag ko. Estudyante ko nila. Okay. Wala, malapit na pala ako. Wow, naka 35 minutes na akong live. So the travel is 35 minutes. The walk pala. The walk and the travel. I think 5 minutes yung walk. And then the travel is 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you everything. Oh, nag-check. What's that? Pure gold. Saan ba ako bababa? Ay, doon na lang saan. Pure gold. Ay, dito na pala.
Epes.
Opo.